Hi everyone, Francesco here and welcome to the Mac Terminal course. For those of you who doesn't know me, I am a PhD researcher in mathematics applied to nanotechnology, and I use computer programming and a terminal on a daily basis. The whole course was created with you, the student, in mind. That is why this is a step-by-step course where nothing is left out. In this course, I am confident that you will learn everything you need to know to master the terminal, from how to locate the terminal and customize its appearance to understand the permission system of your Mac, from very basic commands to deeply understand what information the terminal is giving you, from teaching you how to be independent using the manual of the terminal, which explain every command in details, but it is very hard to understand, to showing you many tricks and shortcuts to use the terminal with ease. On top of that, I believe we cannot understand something if we don't see it. So everything in the course is presented showing you what is happening in real time in your files and folders while you're typing the commands. There is an advanced section where you'll see, among other things, how to edit hidden files and how to really take control of the terminal, creating, for example, your own commands. Not to mention the section for permission and ownership, which is a subject that confuses many people, and rightfully so, because it is not easy. There's a whole section just on that. Finally, I believe that we only understand by doing. That is why I didn't just leave you a bunch of simple quizzes. I really created for you practical exercises, and you will find them at the end of each section. And all of the exercises are completely solved in detail in a video lesson for you. You know, when I started to learn the terminal on my own, I had to study many technical books and try to learn many useless technical points, and also jumping around many resources on the internet, and that was very long and very frustrating. And at the end I realized it does not have to be like that. You're now just few hours away from really mastering the terminal. Thanks for watching and hope to see you there.